Place the charging base in the desired location on the backboard and plug in. Open the base station and install the dust bag. Remove the clean water tank. Pour 40 ml cleaning solution into the clean water tank. Add water to the max level and place the clean water tank into the base station. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. To power on. Pull the robot vacuum to the charging base.
Charging.
Charge the vacuum for at least 4 hours before first use. Open Ultenic app and select MC1. Press and hold the power button and the home button simultaneously for 5 seconds.
Wi-Fi has reset.
Enter network configuration mode. In your device's Wi-Fi settings, access the Wi-Fi list and connect to the hotspot named Ultenic XXXX. Return to the Ultenic app and follow the instructions to complete the Wi-Fi connection. Open the robot cover and remove the dustbin. Open the dustbin and empty the dust into the trash can. Use a dry mop to gently wipe the charging contacts. Cleaning the edge sensors. Use a dry mop to gently wipe the bumper. Use a dry mop to gently wipe the cliff sensors and the universal wheel. Remove the side brush. Take the cleaning brush. Clean the side brush with the cleaning brush. Reinstall the side brush. Remove the two mops. Press and pull the two buttons to remove the cover and take out the roller brush. Wipe the slot with a dry mop. Use the cleaning brush cutter head to cut off the hair wrapped around the roller brush. Use the cleaning brush to clean the dust on the roller brush. Place the cleaning brush into the base. Separate the mop and the mount. Rinse the mop with water. Clean the roller brush and roller brush buckle. Remove the HEPA. Rinse the dustbin with water. Air drying accessories. Install the roller brush and roller brush buckle. Combine and install mops. Remove the main unit base and clean the base with the brush. Remove the dirty water tank and pour out the sewage. Clean the dirty water tank with water and put it into the dust box. Remove the old dust bag and discard it. Install new dust bag. Install main unit base. Put the dried HEPA into the dustbin and install the dustbin into the main unit. Press the home button and the main unit automatically recharge.
Charging.